Hello my friends and welcome back to another stock value video. Today we are diving into the major technic giant AMD. As most of you already know, AMD has put on the incredible performance recently. Looking back to March 31, the stock made a massive run from the $198 level all the way up to $508 3 March. Since that historic run, the chart has remained incredibly strong. We don't see any major trend breakdown right now. What we are seeing instead is a healthy period of profit taking and necessary resting the phase as the stocks consolidate. If you look closer at the recent day candles, especially around the June 24, 26, 29 and this past Friday, something very interesting has happened. The sellers tried hard to push the stock price below $518. But look at this white candles at the bottom. Every single time the buyers stepped in with the strong reaction move and protected the prices. This allowed us to draw a very solid support zone between the $493 and $518 level. Aside from a brief fluctuation at the start of the June, AMD clearly wants to stay above this support zone. However, the stock is showing some signs of the short-term fatigue. If you check the volume chart, it has remained mostly flat and unchanged since the middle of May. So, let's bring out our Fibonacci retracement tool to see where the key level sits, drawing it from the March lows to May peaks. Our recent top was $576 and the stock pulled back right to the critical Fibonacci 38% level. Now, what happens if the bull takes control and a recovery begins? If we can break about the $576 resistance, the upside targets on up sequentially, first the $609, then the $650 and potentially all the way up to $609. But what if our supports between the $495 and $518 fails to hold? In that case, we might see a deeper slide down to the next key's Fibonacci levels around the $434, which we previously tested back on the June 9. Let me be clear, a move like that would be completely normal in a held market cycle. It will just mean the AMD is moving sideways in the right range between the $434 on the bottom up and $585 on the top up. Personally, I do not accept a massive sell-off or a downward breakdown for the AMD right now. The structural strength is still there. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more high quality cycle analysis like this, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share this video. It helps tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. Wishing you all massive profits and I will see you in the next stock value update.